back to a sense of beauty again, and I'm happy to have you again. Now we go to the second part of it. Now to apply, I have tested on my skin. You can see I tested it and there is no reaction. After 5 minutes or even 10 minutes, there is no reaction, so it's good for my body. And now I'm going to apply it and then leave it on me for about 10 minutes, and then I'll go and take shower. Okay, so you can apply it thoroughly how you want. Apply it carefully, don't put in your eyes. Okay, better if you have somebody who can apply it and massage you, could be good, because it's even romantic when your wife or your husband is applying you, or if it's in the salon. But if it's at home, it's good when your wife is applying on you or your children. It's really nice because it's the kind of way to take time with your family, you know, and also to bring closeness in the family. So they can use it on you, apply it thoroughly how you can, and massage a little bit. Better is round way, you know, round way as you go. See, my wife, she's on holiday, that's why I have to do it on my own. Otherwise, when she's around, she normally does it on me, and it's very, I can tell you, it's very romantic, because it makes closeness, and it makes me feel good, and it makes her also feel good to touch me. Okay, even for married people, for Christians, for even those ones who are not Christians, those ones who are not saved, it's really good when you spend time with your husband or with your wife. Massage her head, you know, let her massage you. It's good, and apply you, you know. These are precious moments to spend together and enjoy as family, or as man and wife, you know, or as wife and man, you know. So massage yourself carefully and properly. Yeah, take as much as you need and do it. When you reach this part, make sure this is where heavy tissues are. Make also behind your ears, you know, so that it doesn't look different, and also on your windows. So, and then on your nose, scratch it this way. It's really thick and very nice. It's rough, and it makes it very good. And I'm smelling sweet now also, but so take your time to massage yourself so that the tissues can be removed. Yeah, the dead tissues can be removed, you know. And because of the oil, after 10 minutes when you go to rinse, you can use either shampoo or just normal shower gel, okay, to remove it. And then after that, You can moisture your skin with, if you don't have moisture, you can use just Vaseline. Apply small Vaseline, just small, not much. Just put it on your hand like this a little bit and just smear on your skin so that your skin can have time of breathing, you know. Okay, so we have applied. Now I have scratched. I feel good. I can feel the roughness. Can feel the roughness. It's really working. So good. So you see, even though I just used a little bit, but you see I still have a lot. So you can apply for the whole body. You can use it on the whole body, or you can use it for something else. Okay, so we see you after 10 minutes to see after I've cleansed. I'll come back and show you how to apply Vaseline, and then we would have done. I'm feeling very well. You'll feel also very well. You feel like the whole area that you've covered becoming warm, and you feel really good. You feel the skin is breathing very well. So thank you. See you and take care. So I can tell you this was more than perfect. You can see the dead tissues are away now, and I look perfect after taking my shower, and I feel smooth, you know. I feel very smooth. You can even see the dead tissues are away. Now I just take a little bit of Vaseline, yeah, or you can also use cow, how we call it, milk king jelly. You can use it, and just small, you know, like you see I just took small so that it won't close the pores again. So make sure that you wrap it properly, nicely, and apply it gently everywhere that you had scrubbed, that applied your scrub. And I tell you, your man or your woman will like it. If you watch this video and you apply this to your wife or to your man, I tell you, women, your man will love to be at home, to be touched with you. Oh man, if you watch this and you apply to your wife, you will give her a big surprise, and she will like it. So keep in touch. You have any question, let me know. Just type on my YouTube or send a video of your own that shows how you make your own recipe. You know, let us share with one another. Support me, I support you. Show me on your own video. You can send it, attach it on mine, and show me how you make your own homemade scrub, and I'll share with you more. This was for dry skin, and next time we'll make one for the moisture skin. Okay, so be blessed, keep in touch, and don't forget to subscribe. Right? Thank you for your support, and I'll support you. Wonderful. Look how my skin look like. Super wonderful.